Cal.com tutorial, how to manage your tasks and team. Hey guys, welcome to Cal.com tutorial where I will be showing you how you can use Cal for your project management, to manage your time and to schedule your meetings and much more. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Cal.com and you will land on this website right here. Cal is an all-in-one platform and you can use it for individuals, teams, and it has different options like booking or creating different meetings, and it is also available for customization. How to use Cal? Well, to get started, you will have to click on Get Started for free, and you can create an account using your email address or your Google account. So after the initial sign up, you will get right here to your Cal.com dashboard. Now, you can see we have the event types, booking, availability, teams, apps, routing, workflows, insights, and more. We will go through these features one by one. Now on Cal, the first thing that you need to do is you can actually connect your Google Calendar to your Cal, or if there's any other calendar that you're currently using, you can connect it, and you can even do it while signing up. So once you've created that one, now we'll go to the availability and we will set up our availability first. Go to this option, click on new, and this is where I will add my working hours. Now this one is, let's say, my test working hour for the purpose of the video. I'm just going to give it this name. So we have test working hour, click on continue. Once we do that, now you will be able to see I will set up the hours. So first we have to select the day. We have from Sunday to Saturday, of course. So if you're not available on the weekend, you can just turn it off. So we have Monday to Friday. Yes, I am available from Monday to Friday. Now we have the timing. We have 9 to 5 p.m. Well, that's not the time that I am available at. So we're actually available from 10 to, let me see, 10 p.m. Yes. Okay. So we are available from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. for our agency. So that's what I'm going to add here. Now, what I can do is I can just click on copy and we can select to all, or if I want to, paste this time to all of the days. So I'm going to paste this time to Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday and click on apply. So now you can see it's available here. But on Friday, we're available from 10 to just 4 p.m. So we're going to go ahead and add the time here. Now you can see this is how you can add your availability. It totally depends on you that what you want to do. Here you can select the time zone, of course. So you will select your time zone. For example, you can select your whatever country you are in. Then we have the launch new troubleshooter if you want to. And then here we have add override. Add dates when your availability changes from your daily hours. So if you want to add that, you can add that as well. I'm going to click on save, and now you can see my availability has been created. So now every time I'm creating an event or I'm creating a booking, I can select my available hour for that specific, booking or for that specific hour. Next, we have the event types. So in event types, let's go ahead and create an event. So let's say that I have a meeting coming up with my team. I'm going to click on new, and now we have to add a title for our new event. So let's say that this is actually a meeting. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it here. Then we have the URL. So this is the URL that has been created for the meeting, and I'm just also going to call it test. Then we have the description. Now this is where I will add the description for my meeting. So let's say this is actually a new demo meeting for the video. So I will have an idea that why I created this one. And then we have the duration. Now this is the duration for the meeting. And let's say that this meeting is actually going to be 1 hour or maybe like 30 minutes or whatever. So this meeting is going to be for 30 minutes. Click on continue, and now you can see we have a new event created. Once the event is created, now I can do a lot more with it. So with the event, I can actually scroll down and you will get the location here. So now we're going to select if it's going to be on Cal Video. So Cal.com actually provides a own video platform that is global, and you can have a video chat, or if you want to use Google Meet, if you want to have your own link meeting and you can kind of like have a custom attendee location, you can also do that. If you want to have an in-person meeting, you can also select that here. So this one I will be having with my Cal Video here. Then we have, or I can actually go with Google Meet because I have already connected my Google Meet to my Cal. So once it's done, I'm going to click on save. Now we can share this, meeting. We have the copy link of this event. We have the embed. We have the delete option. So if I click on preview, it will show me something like this, that my event has been created. Okay, there you go. Now you can see this is what it looks like. We have a 30-minute video, and this is the duration and everything. And this is its setup, and this is the time right here. So this looks perfect. Now I'm going to click on save, and now my new meeting has been created. This is how you create an event type within your Cal.com. Moving on, we have the bookings. Now this is an important option. You can integrate your Cal to any of your website, any of your booking websites, or any kind of business you have. So what we do is for the booking, once you have selected the availability, now this is where people will book your bookings. And then what happens is that you can actually go ahead and check out your upcoming bookings, your unconfirmed bookings, your recurring bookings, past and cancel. Recurring means a booking that occurs again and again. So we can create that as well. So that option is available within our availability here. So if I click on these three dots, I can also delete the hours. I can also duplicate and more. We also have the team availability option within the Cal, which is actually pretty good. And we can create a team for our team availability. For that, I'm going to go to the teams option here. And now you can see we have a collective scheduling, round robin, we have fixed, then we have send SMS, poll, and more. But before that, we're going to click on new, and that will allow me to create a team. So I'm going to call this team a test team for now, for the purpose of the video. Then we have the team URL. Click on checkout, and now you can see we have a team URL created. Okay, perfect. So now you can see if I click on checkout, now we have our own team created. Within this team, now I can have my collective scheduling where I can book my team, and the whole team will kind of like perform an action or whatever service it is. Then we have the round robin where you find the best person available and cycle through your team. Then we have fixed round robin, add one fixed attendee, and round robin to the number of the attendees. So these are the different options available within the teams. Then we have the apps option available on Cal. Now Cal is really famous for its integrations. As I told you before, that you can integrate your Google Calendar, but you can integrate a lot of different apps such as your Google Meet, you have Zoom Video, you have Lindy, we have Abby, and then we have Campfire, we have Deal, Discord. You can actually connect your Discord to your Cal. I think a lot of people will be using this one. Then we have the HubSpot. You can add any kind of CRM platform, any marketing platform you want to. You can add your Metapixel, Microsoft 365, and more. Pipedrive CRM, anything you want to connect, you can connect it very easily with your Cal. Then at the bottom here, you will be getting the routing option, workflows, and insights. So Workflow is a really good option here to create an automation within your Cal. So I'm going to click on create a workflow, and what we can do is now I can automate and I can create a trigger and an action within my Cal, so I don't have to, do a lot here. So I'm going to go ahead and call it the test, workflow. So the trigger is, let's say when something happens, let's say that before an event starts and before not 24 hours, but I want to send a reminder to everybody 30 minutes before the meeting starts or an event starts. So we have, before an event starts, 30 minutes, send an email to the attendees. Yes. Sender name will be cal.com. And now you can see this is the email body, that we have the attendee name. This will be the event. All of this is automation. I will not be doing anything once I have created the workflow. That's how easy it is to create an automation within our Cal. I'm going to click on save, and now my new workflow has been created, which is 30 minutes before all of the attendees will get an email from me. And this is automation. I will not need to do it again and again. I can create another workflow, which is maybe send a custom SMS to my new team members. Maybe we can create a new automation saying that we need to add the documents to something before the action or something like that. So that's how you create a workflow. At the bottom here, you will be getting the insight option that will give you insights to all of your different bookings, your types, your events, and everything. Then you will be able to get an idea that what is happening within your Cal. Now, Cal is all-in-one platform, very easy to use and very beginner friendly. You can go ahead and check it out right now, create your bookings, create your availability, and start your booking right now. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.